Alright, let's do a review of my mower, work mower. It's a Kubota F3990. It's a 72-inch deck. It's a commercial mower, 4-wheel drive, and I'll show you around it. Alright, so the Kubota 3990 is continuing its trend of being the world's worst mower. It has diesel particulate filter problems all the time, even when everything is run properly with the cycles. That's why the whole emission system on this mower has a lifetime warranty from Kubota. And our mower, it loves to destroy belts. They're $160 a piece. This thing has blown through 3 belts this season. We've replaced spindles, we've replaced pulleys, we've pretty much replaced everything. It's got a new gearbox and still destroying belts. Not very happy with this thing. It is a maintenance nightmare. So, got a slipping belt. Super annoying. I'll show you how I have to fix it. Alright, so to get it back on, I'm going to pull up here so it gets back up on the lip of the pulley. And you got to pull this at the same time, and those springs are pretty tight, so it's not easy, but got it back on. Test it one more time after I put all the covers back on. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps. Thanks. Well, yesterday I chucked a belt. Another one. It was a week old. We're thinking maybe the belt had a defect because I was just mowing level grass and it just exploded. Anyway, this thing mows up pretty good. And this is a pretty cool property. top of a bluff. There's the Iowa River. And then back that way would be the Mississippi River. So even without a stripe kit, this Kubota F3990 drops some pretty good lines. Alright, here's a perfect place to show you how the Kubota F3990 tends to scalp. So we got this undulation right here. It's a dip, and you can see it just doesn't have enough anti-scalp wheels, and it digs in. But other than that, it still mows fairly nice. Well, we're on the Kubota F3990 today, and we're gonna do a decibel test. I'm gonna do it at idle, full throttle, and full throttle with the PTO engaged. So stay tuned. Alright, at idle, 71, 74-ish. Here's full throttle. Please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for my next video, which will be on the John Deere 1580 out front rotary mower. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.